I nominated Petra because of her utter dedication to the whole health and social care system. So she came over to the UK a few years ago. She's funded her own degree qualification in AI robotics, and whilst I was her tutor on the level 2 programme, I was talking to her about what her intentions were behind studying for a level 2, being a carer and working in AI robotics, because I found it quite, a difference in what she was studying. And she explained to me that her whole purpose of studying that degree was to be able to help people with physical and mental health problems moving forward to make their lives easier. So she wanted to develop programs or devices that would make people's lives easier on a day-to-day basis. And that's also why she went into healthcare as a domiciliary carer, just to be able to see how it worked on the ground and what sort of difficulties people faced. She not only is studying for the degree, working full-time, studying for her level 2, she also pays for online courses to further her education in the health and social care sector. She looks into things, she researches things. She's genuinely the type of person that we need in health and social care moving forward.
My name is Petronella Lazar. I am a rapid response carer at AMG Nursing and Care Services, the Burton branch. But for about a year now, but I've been in care for 3 years, let's say. And I'm studying towards my level 2 diploma in health and social care. Being a finalist, to be fair, it left me a bit speechless when I first found out about it. I wasn't even aware that this thing was going on. But obviously, because I have always been passionate about learning more about health and social care, being a finalist gave me a nice feeling, because someone actually noticed my hard work, and to even be recognized for it, I mean, it certainly motivates me to learn even more.